Okay, number 90 says use the function machine at the right to evaluate, or to answer. So A, if the input is -8, what's the output? So they're saying if I put a negative, if I put a -8 in up here, what comes out? So A is really saying what is f of -8, right? And it's -6 times 8 minus 3. I'm just replacing the x with -8. Oh, sorry, -8. Okay, so f of -8 equals -6 times -8, right, is positive, right? Positive 48 minus 3, so f of -8 equals 45, right? And for B, it says if the output was 21, the output, so if this is B, if the function is f of x equals -6x minus 3, when they're talking about the output, they're talking about f of x. So I'm going to replace that with 21, and I'm going to solve for the input, which is x, right? So to do that, I'll add 3 to both sides. 24 equals -6x, and I'll divide by -6 on both sides. Positive divided by negative is -4. This cancels, and I get x equals -4.